In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert DWG to JPG or PNG in AutoCAD. This is perfect when you need a quick image for a presentation, a report, or to share a snapshot of your drawing with someone who doesn't use CAD. We'll use AutoCAD's built-in plot command to create a clean image without installing anything extra. Start by opening your DWG file. When you are ready, bring up the plot dialog by typing plot in the command line or pressing Ctrl+P. This is where you'll control the format, size, and area of the image you are about to export. Under the printer or plotter section, open the drop-down and choose either Publish to Web JPG.pc3. If you want crisper lines and text with minimal compression artifacts, choose PNG. JPG is fine for smaller file sizes, but it can introduce slight blurring or blockiness on detailed line work. Next, set the paper size. This controls the pixel dimensions of your final image. Choose a pixel size like 1600 by 1280 or higher if you need more resolution. Larger sizes produce sharper images, but also larger files, so pick a value that fits how the image will be used. For on-screen viewing or printing in a document, going higher is often worth it. Now define exactly what you want to export. In the What to Plot drop-down, select Window. This tells AutoCAD you'll draw a selection box around the area to capture. Click back onto the drawing canvas and drag a rectangle around the precise region you want. Take a second to frame it well. What you include here is exactly what will show in the image. To make sure it outputs neatly, check Center the plot and Fit to Paper. Centering keeps your windowed area nicely positioned and Fit scales the selection to match the pixel size you chose. If you ever need an exact scale, you'd leave Fit unchecked. But for most image exports, Fit is the fastest way to get a balanced full frame result. When everything looks good, click OK. Choose where you want to save the file. Give it a clear name and click Save. AutoCAD will generate the image in the format you selected. Ready to drop into slides, emails, or documentation. That's it. Thanks for watching.